기분 어때? 기분 어때? What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is 어때. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about 어때. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 342. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is o, second syllable is te. Pronounce it with me. 어때, 어때. Korean word 어때 is used to ask, what do you think, or how is something? Again, 어때 is used to ask, what do you think about this, or how is this, or how is something? How do you write 어때 in Hangul? It is composed of two syllables. For the first syllable o, we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder ph, iung, followed by an o character. For the second syllable te, we need to draw first a sangdikit or a double dikit character, followed by an e character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word 어때. And that's how you write 어때 in Hangul. Now let's look at this example. It says, how do you feel? Again, it says, how do you feel? The Korean translation of this is 기분 어때? Again, it's 기분 어때? So, 기분 means feeling. Again, 기분 means feeling. And 어때, which is our word for today, is used to ask, how is something? So for this case, the thing that's being asked is about someone's feeling. So, 어때 means how is, but when we say 기분 어때, it's the same as asking, how is your feeling, or how do you feel? So, when we say 기분 어때, it means, how do you feel? So, looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 기분 어때 is, how do you feel? And with that, you've just learned 어때. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 332 to 341. But don't forget our word for today, word number 342, it's 어때, which means, what do you think, or how is. The first word for our review is word number 341, it's orangey, which means orange. Next word is tasot, which means number 5. Next word is porasek, which means purple color. Next word is 배우, which means actor. Next word is 요리사, which means chef or cook. Next is 여배우, which means actress. Next word for our review is 쓰레기, which means trash. Next word is 7월, which means July. Next word is 요리하다, which means to cook. And the last word for our review is word number 332. It's 이상하다, which means to be strange. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.